Hi. Now, this is the video for those participants of my art club who missed the session where we worked with animation, or those who want to catch up or just try this technique on their own. So I will quickly explain what we've done and we'll show you what you can do at home, and then if you can, please share with us, okay? So we tried to make animation, and instead of drawing we decided to use collage because it's easier, simple, and we can understand how it works. So to make animation we were using this program, this app that is called Stop Motion Studio. It's completely free. You can, let me show you, look, you can find it and download it for Android and for iPhone. That's very easy. Just a second, I'm showing. Yeah, this is the, I hope you can see it. So you open that Stop Motion Studio and here you will see a new movie. You press on it, then you press access to the camera, you allow it, and then you press this button on the right that allows you to take pictures. And look at this slider on the left. It allows you to take pictures one by one, but the previous picture will be semi-transparent. Let me show you like this. Okay, so I want to animate these scissors. So I'm taking a picture, okay, and look, this slider allows me to see the previous picture. Now I'm opening a little bit, but I'm trying to keep the frame aligned. Taking another picture. Now I'm opening it a little bit more, keeping it aligned. Third picture. Now fourth, and then I'm going back like that. Fifth, sixth, and seventh. I hope you could see this, okay? And then the eighth, when the scissors are completely closed. Now let's see what we have. You see? A nice animated sequence where the scissors work and open and close, okay? So I will, then you can go back, then long tap on your video, share, and you will be able to save it. Okay, this is the short introduction to the Stop Motion Studio. Now let me tell you about the two tasks that I suggested. The first one was to just learn the interface and everything, and for that I just made this simple object. So my idea is this: can you please make something rotating? Think of something like steering wheel, vinyl record, I don't know, fan, windmill, anything, okay? And then try to animate it that as if it is rotating. So in this case I made this background and I put this I forgot the name of this thing, sorry. And I was moving it like that, taking a picture, moving a little more, taking a picture, more, and then let's see what we have. So this is the short video. Nice, right? And it's simple and you will learn how to make it. Okay, the second task was haikus, Japanese poems, short poems that create a nice, feeling, and you can make a scene from collage, using the collage techniques. So there was a nice haiku that I liked so much. It was about a plastic bag that thinks that it is a bird and is flying away. So for this, I made this little plastic bag. I made lots and lots other plastic bags here. Looking as a bird and different stages of that bird, and also transition between plastic bag and the bird. Okay. And these trees, in this case, I'll just show you, I didn't glue them completely, I glued them only on one side. namely here. And after that I made this short cartoon. Let's see. Well, something like that. So this is the idea. Try to use this app. It's called Stop Motion Studio. It's free. I also tried the paid version. It's nice, but the free will be completely enough for you. If you want, support the developers and buy the paid one. And then just try to first make something rotating to learn the interface, make a short video, and then try to make a little cartoon. And the haikus, haikus, you can do any topic, to any topic. But if you want, you can also make that bag that is entangled in the branches of the trees and thinks that it's a pale bird. Or choose any of the haikus and I'll give you all of them, okay, in the description of this video, hopefully. Okay, talk to you and thank you so much, and I wanna see what you will make. Goodbye.